have been protesting the recently announced Integrated Development Master Plan to expand the capital, Addis Ababa, capital city of Ethiopia. The students were peacefully protesting the plan because they believe it is an extension of the widespread land grab observed in the country over the last 2 decades. We agree with the students that the master plan is designed by the TPLF-led Ethiopian government to eventually kill Oromo language and identity.
माइक के साथ एक गुड्डा में
माहिती अब भी संगत
लगे कम लगे वगैरह लो nama gudara serira gudara balachu ka ba vertically
look like a small kid.
achi balisa vertically horizontally demo ka ba yeah stretch it.